tossed in deep water, William Douglas mustered all courage to leap upwards. He put in all his effort. As William Douglas tried to pull himself up, water tried to pull him down. But water could not pull down his determination. William Douglas, not scared out of his wits, went into a seesaw of struggle. We need to visualize this struggle between life and death. William Douglas maybe would have surrendered to this struggle if his plunge would have been at his own free will. But forced into such a struggle, he will not let go like this. Only win. Struggle, yes, long and intense, but win certainly would come. Let's visualize the intensity to win.